Guys, I just finished working out and look what I saw. We're going to TK Maxx and we're going to find what's new there. Honestly, I just got out of the gym and I saw TK Maxx open, so I thought, why not? Let's check what they have. Okay, they have all the Halloween decoration. Look at this gold pumpkin. Beautiful. Those candles are pretty creepy. And they have no price, but I mean, if you're into those things, why not? They also have those decors that go really well on the living room for $9.99. Actually not bad. And look at those ghosts, so cute. Love the big pumpkin, but I can't put it in my house. And look at this candle. Doesn't smell bad, but I don't know, it's a weird smell. But you know what other season is coming? Christmas. And they have everything Christmassy here. So we have Merry Christmas pillows for $34.99. A bit pricey in my opinion. They have those ones that are super cute. $39.99 as well. Expensive. You can find similar pillows to those ones on Temu, so I don't know if I will get them. They have those spooky pillows as well. So cute. Let's see. $29.99. Okay, a bit cheaper than the Christmas decor. No bad. I think it's yes because they're probably trying to get rid of them, I guess. I love those ones at the door of your house, at the entrance basically, but super expensive. $39.99 as well, and you can find them on Kmart and Target much cheaper, so that will be enough for me. They have socks as well, pretty cute, but if you go to Target, those are $16.99. If you go to Target, you have the ones with your name on it, like the initial of your name, which I find them much more beautiful. So it's up to you. You can get those one for $16.99, or you can go to Target and pay around $10 and get one with your name or with your initial there. Love this decor. Living room, entrance of the house, even in your room. On the bedside tables, they will go so cute. $19.99 those ones. Those are my favorite. I like that one too. Those ones, I don't know if it's a little bit too much for me, but not bad. I like those trees to put it in different areas of your house. They're $34.99. Normally you put your tree on the living room, so those ones will be nice for the room, for the kitchen, any other areas, because it's not just Christmas on the living room. Look at these beautiful snowballs. Oh gosh. $29.99. Seems like everything is around $30, but super cute, super cute, super cute. Look at those. And if you are into silver decor, you have plenty to choose from. Super nice. I like the gold decor much more, so I like those ones. Love the angels. This one is $16.99. Rudolph there. Let's see, the angels are $24.99. No bad, but still pricey. Red is a color that I also love. Look at this. So cute. This one next to the gold one, so amazing. Love that combination of colors, and it's $19.99. Santa Claus, I bought a couple of them on Kmart last year, so I don't need any at the moment. Let's see the price comparison. Those are $29.99. I think I bought them for around $20 as well, so let's say that in Kmart they're a bit cheaper, but maybe the quality is better here. Normally, actually, TK Maxx has better quality. The gingerbread cookie for $19.99. Look at those. Oh gosh. Love it in white. The black one as well is so cute. More angels. So you have plenty to choose from, and look at those. I have never been into those ones, but if you like them, hey, $39.99. I would love to have one of those, but still I'm renting. So for now it's an They have brought already all the kitchenware to bake cookies. So they have this one with a Christmas tree. We have some snowflakes, gingerbread cookies. They're $19.99, those ones. And they have individual cookie cutter sets, which are much nicer if you already have the pots, for $7.99. My favorite is this one to bake cookies. Look at this candle. So cool. You can keep the box and use it as decor. Love that. Well guys, it's not Christmas yet, so let's check what else they have here, because yeah, love Christmas, but first is Halloween. So come with me and let's check if they have anything sportwear, because I'm looking for some t-shirts and pants. So this is what I'm looking at. There is not much really, so a bit sad, but let's see if we can find. Okay, we're going to try a few things here. Let me know if you like them. We have a few t-shirts and shorts. Okay, the first one is just this white simple t-shirt. It goes with my outfit today, so that's nice. I feel it's a bit loose, so let's check what else we got. Next item is this black simple t-shirt. It has a hole in the back. I don't really like that. So this one is a no. Guys, I have decided to put the white t-shirt again and try the shorts with it. I don't really like these shorts because they are too long for me. Let me see. They are too long, so I like them much shorter. I really like them this long. They're nice, they're elastic, they fit good. They're just not for me. I like shorter shorts, but we are getting the t-shirt. Guys, the shoe section is not that great today, but I love this style. They're super comfy. But nothing that really stands out this time. I don't know. I feel like the stands are quite empty. And as well, all the home decor stuff has disappeared, like the pictures, things for the living room and so on. There's nothing here. Where has it gone? Guys, also bag-wise, it's a little bit similar to what they always have. A little bit of a Steve Madden, Guess. I wish they would have a few other brands here. They have a few new cosmetic bags, which are not bad, like this one from Polo, $29.99, not bad. And I like this one from Donna Cara for $19.99, not bad. But they have a few cool things here. The Versace, Anastasia Bronza, the Jimmy Choo, and Hugo Boss perfume, which is nice. $49, $69, around that price. Not bad at all. I use a few Wow products. They're quite expensive, so I wonder how much they are. Those $39.99, not bad at all. If you're looking for a nice Christmas gift, a perfume, bronzer, makeup, whatever it is, come here. But yeah, that's all new for today. Let's go pay. Love on those headbands and hair accessories for Halloween. Love them. So cute. And look at those pumpkins. Oh my. I love that one. So nice. Well guys, that was everything for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I see you next time. Bye! Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.